try to get it from him.
Is that good?
You
We need
some
a
more?
bunch of them.
Yeah. I gave him 2.
I know, that's what I'm saying. Give him a bunch.
Does it not stay on?
Put them all in there, Sam.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Let's get. Oh, you guys are wrong.
He likes it.
Isn't that great?
What's going on?
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good boy.
Does anyone else want to try Pop Rocks? Luke, Nathan?
I've tried them before. I'll be okay.
Is that crazy, Sam?
Luke, like, Sammy, like.
I like them as I taste them.
Oh, what's happening? Put them under your tongue.
Pop them all in your mouth at once.
He's making the most out of his experience.
I can hear it.
Can we say some again? Papa, I'm gonna put one in my mouth.
Just one. You guys say thank you to Aunt Amy for the Pop Rocks?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Emma!
You want some more? They're nice.
That's weird.
Do you have ear infection?
They actually didn't see an ear infection. They said.
Want me to pour some in your hand?
It was a linger. They said had a cold for so
You want
long.
me
I
to?
took him in, and they just gave him antibiotics. I don't even know.
Let's see.
Like they couldn't even culture him because it was fighting
Hold
so
your hand
much.
out.
But they did say he had a lot of wax.
Hold
in
your
his
hand
ear.
out.
So I bought the wax.
Well, that's not the ear that had wax in it.
Everybody
another
tells me
one
that
hurts now?
candling is good for
Yes,
your ears.
it's
Like,
the same
I
one that
don't
hurts.
handle my ear. They're like, no, it really hurts.
A little while
How do you
ago.
do that?
Oh,
They take this special
Oh,
candle
I took 'em.
thing and they put it,
they good?
I guess they blow it out or something.